What's up, fellas? Today I've got a super exciting video for you. This is how to get infinite free leads. This is super valuable if you're just starting. This method, it takes a little bit more time, but if you've got more time than you have money, then this is a perfect method for you. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you right now. So I'm in apollo.io right now. I just made a brand new account to show you how easy it is. It's a free account. You don't have to pay for it. And if you don't know, Apollo is probably one of the biggest databases of contacts, so super valuable platform, and they have a free plan, which is pretty awesome. So the first thing you're going to do is just make an account if you don't already have one, and then you can head over to prospects, and you're going to be able to sort by whoever you want to see. Like, they've already got things coming up. Before you do this though, what you're going to need to do is search for instant data scraper extension, and then just click on this first link right here. I'll leave a link to this in the description. You can just click through that and then just install this data scraper right here. It should have like a pokeball as an icon. So just add this. So then you just come back into Apollo once you've got that installed, and then you can just start searching for whoever you need. So we can start with email status. Let's go with likely to engage, and then job titles. I usually go for is known, and then department level or management level is just one of these three: owner, founder, C-suite, partner, maybe sometimes. This is what I usually go for. And then as for location, we'll just put United States. That's where I'm at, so I'll just put where I live. Employees, let's search for relatively smaller companies, 1 to 20 employees. That should sound good. Industry keywords, let's search for construction companies in the United States. Buying intent, it's a little bit weird. It takes like a day for it to load. Not always entirely accurate. And then all this other stuff, not super necessary. You can play around with it for sure, but yeah. So I mean, if you're looking at it right here, it's already got 9,000 total contacts for you to reach out to. Normally and instantly, it costs export credits if you want to export their email, but I've got a pretty cool workaround I'll show you here. So it's, like I said, it's going to take a little bit longer, but this is best if you have a little bit more time with a little bit less money. Maybe you're just getting started. So you're gonna have to do one page at a time. So you can just select this page, apply, and then add it to a list. So we'll just call this construction. We'll call it construction 1, and then create list and save. Yeah. Whatever you say, Apollo. Okay, yeah. Don't really need to do any of this. We're just here for the free contacts. Yep. And then you can head over to net new. You might have to wait a little bit, refresh the page maybe, for the list to update. The construction 1 list that you just created, it might not show up yet. So, yep. So you can tell I just made this account. So, okay, and then I clicked on net new, and then we'll just select this page. List, add to list, and then construction 1, and just save it. Yep. So if you're on a paid plan, you can like grab like hundreds of these at a time, but I mean, free plan, free leads. So, and then you can just go to next page. Let's see, we'll get these ones too, all from this page. Add to list, construction 1. Yep. Do it for this one. Construction 1, save. Next page. And on the free plan, you're only, it says failed to fetch results. Please sign up with a corporate domain or a paying plan to do more searches. Alright, well, that's just going to slow you down a little bit. If you don't have a cool domain, like mine would be Zander at itswork.com, but if you just have like an @Gmail, it might be a little bit slower, but you can still do it. We're only able to go to page 3 with exporting, so we'll just use that. And then, so once you've got your lists you can just go to lists, and then construction 1, we've got 100 leads here. You can export these just using the Apollo exports, but you've got limited credits on the free plan. So let me show you where the data scraper comes in. This should be the default search, but if your email is blocked right here and it says like request mobile number or something like this, you can go to search settings, fields, and then just make sure that email is on here. So once it's in your list, this is where you open up Instant Data Scraper, and see it's already kind of highlighted the list here. All you'll have to do is locate the next button, which is right here, and then open it back up, and then you can just hit start crawling. And I mean, that's magic, I think. Like, so we just scraped all of those 100 leads into here. Sometimes if you got a really big list, you might want to make this delay a little bit bigger. Apollo might get mad at you for scraping too quick, so that might be a good idea to just change this to 5 or 3, 4, something like that. But yeah, and then once it's done, you can just hit download as CSV. Then you can do something like open up a new Google Sheets, and then just file, import, upload, and then just import this. Yeah. So, and this data isn't the prettiest, but yep, here's all 100 of your leads you just got. These are all contacts you can reach out to. So you might have to organize this a little bit, but I mean, the data is good on here. Like the names are good, the title. You can get rid of some of this. You don't need any of this. And then you can just rename some of these, so it'd be like full name. Yeah, and while I'm here, I can show you a cool trick. If you want to separate the first name from the last name, you can just select this and then go to data, split text to columns, and then down here, the separator, you can just make this the space, and then it separates this. So you can just change this back to first name, last name. Yep. And then, so you can just go through here, clean up some of this data, get it looking pretty with all the information that you need. So that's the Apollo method of getting infinite free leads. I'm gonna go ahead and show you another method. This one is if you're kind of searching for local businesses, it's a little bit better. You can go ahead and go to yellowpages.com, and you can search for anyone you want in your area. So let's look for contractors in Florida. It brings up a list of like all of the contractors in Florida with the phone number, location, everything you need. If you want to go visit in person and talk to them in person, this can be super valuable as well. So, you know, same thing, you just open up Instant Data Scraper, and it even blocks out the ads at the beginning, but it's already got the businesses in the scraper, and then all you have to do is hit locate next button, which is this next arrow, and then you can just hit start crawling, and it's going through each page getting all of the data. Like, you can see the list is getting longer here. This would just keep going forever, so I'll stop crawling. Yeah, but same thing, once you're happy with the list size, you can just hit download as CSV, come back to your Google Sheets, file, and then import, upload the yellow pages you just did, and then append, import data. Yep, so the data isn't always super pretty, but I guess that's the cost of doing it for free. But I mean, this is a super valuable tool if you're going to be doing any cold calls or cold emails. This is super valuable. If you guys are going to be using this for cold email, I'd recommend verifying each of these emails. Apollo's good, but I mean, emails are always changing, the database is always changing, and the emails might not always be valid. So I'd recommend verifying all of these emails if you guys want a cool trick on that too, I know a way of verifying these for free. It takes a little bit longer, but you're not going to be paying the 60 bucks or whatever to do it. Yeah, I hope you guys found this super valuable. This is probably one of the best skills that I know, how to get these free contacts to reach out to. I hope you guys find this as valuable as I did. And if you guys want to see how to get those emails verified for free, drop a comment, let me know. I'll make a video on that if you guys are interested. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Really appreciate it. If you guys want to reach out to me, shoot me an email, leave me a comment. I'll try to reach out to everybody, but that's it for now. If you have anything you want to see from me, let me know. But that's it. Thanks.